Greetings, greetings. Welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. I am excited that I am teaching the Marketplace Ministry course CLT 103 with Faith Leads University. So, first and foremost, when you think or it is said Marketplace Ministry, your workplace um, is your pulpit. Okay. And we are going to adventure to our first lecture, which is what is marketplace ministry? It is a crucial question that many of us want to be able to answer. And so, in this lecture, you will find the ins and outs and tools for you to answer that throughout your marketplace ministry um, experiences that you have. So in this course, there's two books that is required readings, and that includes Anointed for Business by Ed Silbocio, and also Business as Mission, The Power of Business in the Kingdom of God by Michael R. Bear. They're two influential books that really helps us um, break down what marketplace ministry is about and the ins and outs, history, and we're going to learn a lot from those readings. Additional materials for learning. You need to have access to the Bible app, and having access to the Bible app is found at www.bible.com/app. And then also you can have your regular, you know, the old fashioned leather bound or just any Bible, because we will be studying the scriptures for each lecture. Also, you need to have a computer with basic audio, video, um, output equipment, because you will have some video lectures around. Also, your connection, make sure that it's steady, because everything is going to be online. Also, you need the word processing software, which is Google Docs, Microsoft Word. Either one of those is fine. And then also, there is an APA writing guide booklet that I will share that link as well. Okay, our learning targets is uh, just two, but they're two powerful ones. Um, One in particular, articulate a holistic theology of work that empowers Christians to view all work as faithful service unto the Lord. Readjust our thinking about our careers and positions as we confess that we are Christians. So we look at our questions for thought and study. So, what is your view of marketplace ministry and Christian business? Do you see the opportunity for your eternal impact in the marketplace? Where are you on the path toward marketplace ministry? So the key buzzword, which you keep hearing, is buzzing, marketplace ministry. And then the related scriptures, in which there may be a few more, which you will see in study and the exercises that you're going to be completing. But we're going to focus today in this lecture with Matthew 5:16. Okay, let's get right into it of the question at hand. This is a question that many of us have, quite often, as we go on our journey of work. So what is that? What is marketplace ministry? Marketplace ministry should be a biblical perspective in which all Christians are called to work for the glory of God. But as we know, or have you heard, many of us see little or no spiritual purpose for our day-to-day work. And often we disconnect our work from our faith. Likely, we end up with a growing disconnect and a feeling of disoriented and a feeling that, just orientation in life because there is a lack of integration of our faith and our work. It is crucial to bridge the gap between Sunday worship and Monday work dynamics, which is our reality. A lot of Christians, they work. The workplace is not only important to an individual's spiritual formation, but is also a strategic venue for spiritual influence. So it takes me to just the simplistics of what you see here. What is the marketplace? To be a disciple and witness for Christ in and through your work or business. And I say business because some of us are entrepreneurs. Like myself, I spent, oh my gosh, at least about 18 or 19 years struggling with, okay, I have a business here, but is it a Christian business because I am a Christian? Or, am I doing the practice of a minister, not being fulfilled and thinking that the work that I was doing was less than the pastor in the pulpit? But I am here to tell you today, you're going to learn the marketplace ministry is parallel or just as equal to a minister or a deacon, a deaconess, elder as well. So one website defined marketplace ministry as the directing of evangelism and other Christian activities towards secular marketplace. So this is the simplest, the way that I like to think about it is to be a disciple and witness for Christ in and through your work or business. A similar approach is having the attitude of being a full-time minister in the workplace by letting your light shine. What better way to be in the marketplace and something be different, a spark, a light, something that people can relate to, something that people would just be excited to know that I work with this person that is so spectacular. I don't know what it is, but they're drawn to you. And then this is the opportunity of that discipleship and evangelism to take place. So I go to Matthew 5:16, and it says, and it reads, in the same way, let your light shine before others that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. The Lord wants that to happen where you are part of the fruits of the Spirit. You are part of providing a solution in your marketplace. So I think about this. Rainbows don't shine in darkness. We are a ray of sunshine. We should be a ray of sunshine. And the rainbow, as it connects, the rainbow challenges us to be a better version of ourselves, a more inclusive person, a person who seeks a challenge, a person who desires spiritual growth, and a connection um, to the spiritual realm, which will make for a better person in the marketplace, which has been designed not only for secular individuals. As a minister who works continuously in the marketplace, I have seen God move in the hearts of man so many times because there was something that shined so brightly in the workplace that they wondered, what is it about this person that produces so much, brings joys to customers? Um, there's so many different facets of where God needs us to be in certain places. For myself, as you know, you've read, I am a former media consultant, and I was always um, seen by secular music labels, secular TV shows, because I brought something different. They wanted to know more about who I serve and why I serve. And so, if anything you don't get from marketplace ministry is that your light should shine above all darkness that may be in the workplace or within your industry, because I'm not forgetting about those that may be entrepreneurs or thinking to being an entrepreneur and thinking, oh, this is something that is not glorifying God. But as long as you are a Christian and your light is showing, that is the perfect recipe to be shining in the marketplace. So, uh, I hope this lecture has given you a foundation. There will be some reading and some exercises for you to complete. So, watch out for them in our learning platform. And it has been a great pleasure to teach this. And I pray that you connect to it. Have a great day.